Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Also, if you find this video entertaining or useful and it helps you out in any way, please give it a thumbs up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flush out your power steering system. First off, find your pump line for the return going to your reservoir. And on this vehicle, it's located right here on the back of the pump. Undo the clamp, which we've already done. And on this vehicle, we've already ran another hose down underneath the chassis of the vehicle, going into a reservoir container, oil catch bin, so we can catch all the old fluid. And we're going to simply undo the hose and put this hose on there. Alright, now that we've done that, I get that off that pulley. Okay, now we got that going down in the reservoir. We're going to start the vehicle and refill the reservoir with new fluid. And then it's going to circulate through the pump assembly. Alright guys, now we're just going to start the vehicle so it can pump all the old fluid out of the pump and through the lines down in the catch bin, the oil catch bin that we have placed underneath the vehicle, running to that secondary hose. 1 second, we'll start the vehicle. Just ignore the exhaust leak. This vehicle doesn't have an exhaust literally from the firewall back. Which that'll be in another video once it comes in. We've got it ordered. We're doing a complete exhaust system. All we did there was give the wheel a little turn so it'll pump any fluid out of that pump there and through the lines. Alright, it only takes a minute, now we can go shut it off. Alright, now that we've got the pump assembly emptied, now we can swap the hoses back from the reservoir to the pump and undo that catch bin hose. So we got that fish down through there, going into a catch bin underneath the vehicle down there. So, because we definitely don't want to be dumping out, power steering fluid, tranny fluid, down on the ground. I'll slide it up on there. Now we're going to fill the reservoir up with new fluid. And on this particular vehicle, it is able to take transmission fluid. It doesn't have to be actual power steering fluid. I know some manufacturers, some models do require power steering fluid actually. So this particular vehicle, it does not have to be. But check in your owner's manual, and if you don't have your owner's manual for your vehicle, call your local auto parts store or a dealer and go with whatever the manufacturer recommends. Now that we got it full, we're going to take and start the vehicle so it can pump it back through the pump through the lines. recirculate it, so it filled that pump assembly back up. Now we're just refilling the lines. Spilled a little bit, that's alright. We'll wash it off. Turn the wheel a little bit. Alright guys, now we got that good and full. Hopefully you all found this video useful and helpful, and it showed you how to do that on your vehicle. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.